back to our YouTube channel, Newsfeed Career Tips. So let's start our current affairs of November 4th, 2021 from today's importance. It is celebrated on this day, it is celebrated as Diwali. Diwali is a 5-day festival that begins with Dhanteras and ends with Bhaya Dooj. On these 5 days, we pray Lakshmi Devi, the goddess of wealth. Going to the current affairs, the first question is: which of the following bank has partnered with NPCI to launch RuPay credit cards? B. The options are A. Kotak Mahindra Bank, B. S Bank, C. HDFC Bank, and D. ICICI Bank. The correct answer is A. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank partnered NPCI to launch RuPay credit cards B for Indian Armed Forces, that is the Army, Navy and Air Force personnel. Credit card is available in two variants as Veer Platinum and Veer Select. And going to the second question: which of the following becomes fourth company to get government approval to provide internet in flights? The options are A. Vistara, B. Indijet, C. Air India, and D. Indigo. The correct answer is B. Indijet. Going to the third question: which of the following state has announced full exemption of motor vehicles, taxes and registration fee on EVs? The options are A. Gujarat, B. Delhi, C. Odisha, and D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is C. Odisha. Odisha announced a full exemption of motor vehicles, taxes and registration fees on EVs. This decision was taken for encouraging faster adoption of EVs. Exemption was granted under Odisha Motor Vehicles Taxation Act, applicable till 2025. The fourth question is: which of the following word is declared as Oxford English Word of the Year for 2024? The options are A. Community, B. Pandemic, C. Vaccination, and D. Vax. The correct answer is D. Vax. Vax declared Oxford English Dictionary's Word of the Year for 2025. This year's Oxford winning word vax was first recorded in English in 1799. Use of the word pandemic has also increased by more than 57,000% this year. The fifth question is: who among the following becomes the most successful T20 innings captain? The options are A. Virat Kohli, B. MS Dhoni, C. Asghar Afghan, and D. Ian Morgan. correct answer is D. John Morgan. England skipper John Morgan became the most successful T20 innings captain. Morgan surpassed Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Afghanistan's Asghar Afghan with 43 wins. Morgan has led England in 68 T20 innings matches, only behind Dhoni's tally of 72 for India. The sixth question is, which of the following state has been invited to participate in an international seed conference? Which? The options are A. Assam, B. Karnataka, C. Telangana, and D. Odisha. The correct answer is C. Telangana. Telangana has been invited to participate in an international seed conference virtual. International seed conference will be held on November 4 and November 5, 2021 in Rome. The conference is being organized to discuss development of seed. Seventh question is, which of the following company has incorporated wholly owned subsidiary in India on November 1st, 2021? The options are A. Tesla, B. SpaceX, C. Blue Origin, and D. Unos. The correct answer is B. SpaceX. SpaceX has incorporated its wholly owned subsidiary in India on November 1st, 2021. Starlink aims to start broadband services in India from December 2022. It has 2 lakh active terminals subject to permission from the Indian government. Starlink is charging a deposit of 99 USD, that is 7,350 from each customer. Claims to deliver data speeds in the range of 50 to 150 megabits per second in beta state. Starlink is a satellite internet constellation operated by SpaceX to provide satellite internet access to most part of the earth. The eighth question is, which of the following country has recognized the Covaxin COVID-19 vaccine of India? The options are A. New Zealand, B. Australia, C. Russia, and D. UK. And the correct answer is B. Australia. Going to the sports news, Josh Butler becomes the first batsman to score 100 in T20 World Cup 2021. He becomes the first man to hit a century every international format for England. Josh Butler becomes just the second England player to reach 2000 T20 innings runs. He becomes the first cricketer to score centuries in both ODI and T20 World Cup for England. Babar Azam becomes first captain to score 3 half centuries in T20 World Cup. Babar Azam scored 68 versus India, 51 versus Afghanistan, 70 against Zambia. Sri Lanka's Wanindu Hazaranga becomes highest wicket taker in T20 innings in a calendar year. Hazaranga has picked up 34 wickets in T20 international so far 2021. The census of Indus River Dolphin, Punjab. The state of Punjab is set to start the census of Indus River Dolphin. Indus River Dolphin is scientifically called as Platanista gigantica minor. In the IUCN Red List, Indus River Dolphin is classified as endangered by the IUCN. In 2019, Indus River Dolphin was declared as the state aquatic animal of Punjab. MDL delivered the first ship of Project 15B class destroyer Visakhapatnam to the Indian Navy. Its overall length is 164 meters, the displacement of around 7,500 tons. Going to the National Sports Awards. National Sports Award will be given in New Delhi on November 13, 2021. Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award will be given to 12 sportspersons. Neeraj Chopra for athletics, Ravi Kumar for wrestling, Lovlina Borgohain for boxing, Srijesh PR for hockey, Amani Lekara for archery, Sumit Antil for javelin, Pramod Bhagat for badminton, Krishna Nagar for badminton, Manish Nawal for archery, Mithali Raj for cricket, footballer Sunil Chetri and Manpreet Singh for hockey. And coming to the one-liners today, Home Minister Amit Shah launched the Diary Sahakar scheme on October 31st, 2021. Malayalam novelist P. Valsala has won Ezhuthachan Award for the year 2021. National Mission for Clean Ganga got registered in the Guinness Book of World Records. Captain Amarinder Singh has revealed the name of his party, Punjab Lok Congress. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay home